Hi ATD San Diego, I'm Bridget Randall, currently volunteering as president of our San Diego chapter. I want to say welcome to April. As the saying goes, the one thing that's constant is change. Many organizations are still working through their return to work policies, and that may impact the work that you do with your organization. If that's the case, you may want to check out our chapter meeting. It's going to be facilitated by Alan Landers. The focus of that session will be being a change agent. So you'll want to be sure to register for that. It's taking place on April 20th. Are you younger in your career, 35 and under? Well, there's a brand new group that started last year called the SoCal Young Professionals Special Interest Group, or SIG. It's a combination of our San Diego chapter with our Orange County colleagues and Los Angeles chapter. They have an event coming up on April 21st that you'll want to be sure to check out. It's a great way to network and learn about those in the industry that are following the same career path. I want to give a big shout out to our new members who have joined our San Diego chapter this month. Be sure to connect with them on LinkedIn. We all love to feel welcome. Be sure to reach out and introduce yourself if you see them at one of our in-person events as well. Speaking of membership, on December 6th, we'll host our Discover the Benefits of Membership session. That's a place where you can come and find out, what do you do with your membership? Should I become a member? It's a real laid-back opportunity for you to find answers to those questions, so be sure to register. Volunteers are the heartbeat of ATD San Diego, like myself, your board of directors, and everyone else who joins us to implement programming, host special interest groups, or anything like that. We're all volunteers. We would love to have your help supporting what we do, because you know what? We can always do more and make things better with more hands. As the saying goes, many hands make the work light. So please fill out our form online. We'd love to learn more about you and where you're interested in serving. We have a lot of opportunities, including updating our website, helping put together events and programming, helping put together social media blogs, and more. And speaking of opportunities, next year there's a really big opportunity coming for our chapter, and that's going to require that we have a committee chair and a committee to support this opportunity. That's all I can say for now, but do check out our website, put your name in the hat on our Google form so we can start a conversation and find out where we can use your support for our chapter. I'll just round this out by saying we have our normal offerings this month, our storyline workshop, we've got mixers happening during the last week, so check out our website and be sure to connect with us on LinkedIn. As a reminder, the written version of the newsletter comes out. Get more details there. It includes all of the hyperlinks to our events and of course our website. Don't forget to connect with us on LinkedIn. And if you enjoy these videos, give it a like and subscribe. See you soon.